Hello everybody. Sorry about the bad angle in the video, but here is what seems to be a Hunter Studio series ceiling fan, or maybe a summer breeze. But I got it at the Habitat Restore in Las Vegas when I was on my trip. I got back from my trip and I still have public fan sightings from Las Vegas coming more soon. I haven't finished it yet. But by the way, here's the Studio Series ceiling fan. Well, it doesn't, I don't know if it's Studio Series, but here we go. The glass shades are really cool, by the way. I actually kind of like this fan. It might not be vintage, but it's the closest one to vintage that I found at the Habitat. Spin it. Okay. Sorry about that. Trying to get a better angle. That's the best I can get, by the way. Got that blue box in the way. So till it slows down a bit. Now here is a look at the glass shades. See them right here. Thanks for watching.